Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Mr.Caedo and I've done something stupid. Which would be buying this Harley Benton Fanfret 7, expecting it to be versatile enough to be the new main guitar for all my gigs. Which of course wasn't the case, that was a stupid utopic expectation. But since I'm not really known to give up so easy and I'm pretty stubborn, I'll show you all the bits I changed to make it versatile enough. So, let me walk you through all the changes I did to this bad boy. First of all, don't get me wrong, I really like this guitar, I really like the handling. It just wasn't designed to be played at a blues or country or even jazz gig. Let's go through the changes. The first mod is actually one you can't see from the front and even not really from the back because it's all just a mess of wires back there, is the volume pot. I've installed a treble bleed mod on this one so I can turn down the volume without losing that much treble. The second mod, well, second and third, are a little bit less subtle. First of all, I modified the tone pot. The standard model comes with a 500k ohm audio taper pot and a 47 nanofarad capacitor. I changed the capacitor to 33 nanofarads, so I just rolled around the high frequencies and don't have that much of a high mid cut. Second would be the reason why this is a dual concentric knob now. I also installed a bass cut. So by rolling this down, I believe I used a 3.3 nanofarad capacitor for this. Anyway, by cutting some of the bass, I like to clean up my tone when I'm actually playing with some amount of gain. Well, I rarely play metal, but if I do, I make sure to use this. And it really helps on stage and prevents your tone from being a total mess. And that would lead to the third, or fourth, change I did to this guitar, which is actually the biggest one and required the most work, which would be these two little switches. Come on! How much work can that be? Can't be that hard, right? Sorry for interrupting you there, but I'd like to say that the Harley Benton Fanfret 7 has unusually thick lacquer, which unfortunately made it virtually impossible to drill in it, because the lacquer would just chip away. So it actually was a shit ton of work, because I had to spend 1.5 hours with a Dremel sanding the wood away bit by bit to not chip away the paint, which was a total pain in the ass, but whatever. Well, these are three-way on, and on toggles. I use these little switches to change the pickup wiring. For example, for the bridge pickup, I have it in parallel wiring in the down position, just the single coil towards the bridge in the middle position, and flicking the switch up it's actually in series like the normal humbucker wiring. Same goes for the neck pickup, but the coil selected in single coil mode is this time the one towards the neck. So as you can hopefully hear, the last mod, which is adding these switches for the pickup wiring, is actually the most effective of them all, or at least the one I use the most. I usually play these in single coil mode because, well, I don't normally play with high gain, and when playing clean, single coils just sound nicer. Well, at least better suiting my needs than high gain humbuckers. Replacing those humbuckers with something lower output would sure be an option, but since these switches are all these mods are still cheaper than buying a single pickup for this guitar. So for me, the work doing these mods was sure worth it, and I would do it anytime again. And if you'd like to do these yourself and you've got any questions, just leave them down in the comments below, and I'll make sure to answer them as good as I can. Cheers, Caedo out. Damn it, almost forgot this. If you've got a second, please subscribe for more content related to music, technology, or probably both at the same time. This sure won't be the last time I'll do something stupid like this, so thanks for watching, please subscribe, and see you in the next video.